I say? Burning random things should be illegal. Actually, in some circumstances it is. Don't be a firebug. In this video, I'm going to review the firelighters I found down at my local Bunnings. So just sit right back, grab a drink or two and let's get into it. And don't forget the normal stuff of subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit that bell notification. For those not in Australia, Bunnings, or the Big Green Shed, is a place we all go to on a weekend to grab a snag in bread. Now I have to add that I'm no way affiliated with any of the products or companies mentioned in this video. This review, like any others I've done, are totally unbiased. No one has paid me to do this review, nor have they even supplied me with the products. By all means, share this video and tag them in it. And tell them to give Schueys barbecue a chop out. I'll be igniting the firelighters all the same way with my Hot Devil Ultimate Blowtorch. It has an easy auto ignition, built-in and adjustable gas flow feature with a burn temperature of 1350 degrees Celsius. So you know it'll get these firelighters lit real quick. For those wondering, it is as much fun to play with as it looks. So I suggest getting one. Now I'll be reading the temperature coming off each firelighter with my infrared thermometer. It can read temperatures between minus 50 degrees Celsius up to 380 degrees Celsius. So we will get an accurate temperature reading from each firelighter in this review. Perfect! The beer's nice and chilled at 5 degrees Celsius. Now let's get into the main event. In this video, I'm reviewing 6 different types of firelighters. Now, they are all from the same manufacturer, but that's all I could get my hands on. Are you ready to meet the contestants in this heated showdown? Samba natural firelighters, non-toxic, clean handling, long burn time, great flame. The instructions recommend using 3 to 4 cubes. For this review, we'll be using 3 cubes. These smelled like glue and cardboard before lighting them up. They had no real overbearing smell while burning. Oh, it smelled like a house fire, if your house was made out of cardboard. Samba original firelighters. Easy to light, quick ignition, long burn time, snap in wrapper. The instructions recommend using enough Samba cubes to start your fire. We'll use 3 for this since they are too lazy to tell us what to use. These had a strong chemical smell before lighting them up and a chemical smell while they were burning, plus constant black smoke. Just what the doctor ordered. Samba foil sealed firelighters. Simply light the packet, easy to light, no mess, long lasting burn time. The instructions just say place foil wrapped firelighters amongst the kindling, charcoal or briquettes, yet the image clearly shows 4 packets. Understandably, there was no real smell before lighting these up. They were wrapped in foil, but boy oh boy that smell came when we lit them up, and that constant black smoke. I nicknamed these ones fireballs of death, and not in a good way. Samba pop out firelighters, individually sealed, fast ignition. The instructions recommend using 3 to 4 cubes, so we'll stick with using 3 for this review. These had an overbearing chemical smell before they were alight. And if you thought that couldn't get worse, you'd be wrong. If you hate your lungs, you will stand around these choking fire bombs of hate. Samba Firewall, quick light firelighter. Use less than regular firelighters, superior performance. The instructions recommend using 1 to 2, but also state 1 equals 3 cubes, so we'll go with that one. These smelt like a reed diffuser that you would smell in a library before lighting them up. And once they were alight, it was still just a nice, pleasant, woody smell. And a clean burn as well, which was really nice. Samba Squirt and Light. Firelighter gel, easy application, no mess, no fuss. The instructions recommend you squeeze a small amount of gel into 3 to 4 places. Amount isn't a unit of measure I'm used to, so we'll just put 3 dollops down. Holy hell, is this napalm for amateurs? This smelt like crap from the very first second. It didn't stay alight long, but it burnt everything in the vicinity of it while it was. Today, I'm testing various firelighters, and we all know no job with fire is done properly without beers. So for those of you who like to follow my beer timer, I'm going to say we need 10 beers for this one. Now, before I get messages like, oh, my husband burnt our deck down because of your advice, please don't burn your deck, your home, or your garage. Drink and burn stuff at your neighbour's place. Firelighters are the start of us making our food. The sooner we can get our fuel lit, the sooner we can be shoving in that delicious, juicy meat into our face holes. We all know I meant moist. Beer's nice, but that was smart. So who was crowned winner in today's battle royale of barbecue helpers? Hands down it was the Firewall. Clean burn, easy to light, cheap to use, and won't strip the linings off your lungs. Is this every way possible to light your barbecue? Of course not. But I'm sure a couple of you are going to be smug enough to leave a comment and say, this is how I do it.